7600 Florence Street, Roseville, Michigan. We have a cool elevator to ride. Looks like a Lardner or maybe a Detroit. Love the cab on this thing. Yep, it's a Detroit. Let's go down to the basement. This is one nice elevator. Let's go to 2. It's got a bumper. Oh my gosh, I'm sorry.
No, I just.
No, it's
like a movie.
Yeah,
It's like,
I know, right?
I gotta quit watching those movies.
Yes.
Thank you.
No, I'm sorry.
No.
You going to 1, I assume? Yeah.
Yeah, we should make a movie.
I'm making a video right now. I'm taking a video of this elevator. It's really nice.
Well, don't move in because sometimes it sticks.
Yeah. All right, you have a good one. Well, how about that, guys? All right, let's go down the basement one more time, and then we'll end it on 1, because this thing is awesome. This is a really cool elevator. I love the cab wood design. It's so nice. And here we are at 1. And that will be it.